Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling the pesky Monroe process has crashed, you Marvel error in Marvel Rivals. This frustrating issue can often prevent you from enjoying the game. But fear not, as we've got a few solutions to try. First, let's verify the game files. Open Steam, right-click on Marvel Rivals, go to Properties, and Installed Files, and finally verify integrity of game files. This will ensure all game files are correct. Next, make sure you have the latest graphics drivers installed. Head to the official NVIDIA or AMD website to download the newest drivers for your specific card. If those solutions don't work, try lowering the game's graphics settings. Go to the in-game settings and reduce the quality or resolution. You might also want to disable features like ray tracing or anti-aliasing. Another potential fix is to disable overlays from apps like Steam, Discord, or GeForce Experience. These can sometimes interfere with the game. If you're still experiencing crashes, try running the game as an administrator. Right-click on the game shortcut, go to Properties, Compatibility, and check. Run this program as an administrator. Seek a last resort, you can try performing a clean boot. Open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab, hide all Microsoft services, and disable all remaining services. Restart your PC, and try launching the game again. If none of these solutions work, you may need to contact Square Enix support for further assistance. But hopefully, one of these tips will help you get back to enjoying Marvel Rivals.